Well, Jaden's not here, and Lila's not here, and Anthony's not here. So we're going to do the back page of the 4 or 5 notes for them, just as a refresher of what we're doing, why we're doing, how to do it. So we are solving rational equations. In order to solve rational equations, it's 2 basic steps. Number 1, we want to multiply by the LCD. Right? So you're going to multiply both sides by the LCD. So for problem A, what is our common denominator here, Chloe?
X minus 3.
X minus 3. Good. So I'll multiply both sides by x minus 3 here, x minus 3 there. Now, for each term, all right, so for each term, how many total terms do we have here, Austin Mersman? No.
Oh, total terms.
Yep.
I want to say 3.
And you would be right. There's 6 over x minus 3, and 2x over x minus 3. So those are all 3 of our terms. Now, for each term, when we multiply it by the LCD, we need to ask ourselves 2 questions.
What cancels?
What cancels?
And what's left over?
Question. And what's left over? Question. All right. Here we go, Chloe. Looking at that first term. When we multiply x minus 3 with x, what cancels?
Nothing. Actually, nothing.
Good. What's left over?
Negative 3. No, x.
And?
X minus 3. There you go.
X minus 3. Good job. All right, Austin Mersman, looking at our second term here. When we multiply 6 over x minus 3 with x minus 3, what cancels? X minus 3 is over 1, so anything from the numerator can cancel with
3.
the x minus 3's will cancel. Now, what's left over?
6.
6, good.
Sorry, I just guessed.
It's all right. Sometimes these are easy to do. All right, Philip, on the right-hand side with that term, when we multiply it by x minus 3, what cancels? X minus 3, good. And what's left over? 2x, good. And now all we have to do is solve the remaining equation. All right, these can be linear, quadratic, they can be all sorts of things. Now, distribute the x, we get x squared minus 3x plus 6 equals 2x. Now we're dealing with quadratics. How do we solve quadratics? Well, before we factor, get it equal to 0. Good job. Subtract the 2x. So we have x squared minus 5x plus 6 equals 0. So try to factor that. The only thing that multiplies together to get x squared is x and x. The factors of 6 that add up to 5 are 2 and 3. 6 plus 1 is 7, not 5. Same sign or different? Same sign, good. And they're both negative, good.
I'm so tired, dude.
Set each factor equal to 0 and solve. X minus 2 equals 0, so we added 2 to both sides, so x equals 2. X minus 3 equals 0, add 3 to both sides, so x equals 3. And lastly, we need to check all of your answers. When I check my answers, the question I'm asking myself, will this make a denominator equal to 0? So I start with the 2. Go back to the original. When I plug a 2 into the original function, is the denominator going to be 0?
No.
No. So that's a good answer. Now when I take 3, plug that back in. Will that make the denominator equal to 0?
Yes.
So that means that x equals 3 is called what?
The equinox. It's extraneous.
The equinox. It's extraneous. extraneous. The word extraneous. We did the right work to find the solution, but the solution did not satisfy the original equation.
On our quiz or something, when we take it over this, do we have to make it?
Yeah, you got to check to see if it's extraneous or not. Yeah, absolutely. All right, now part B. Let's try it again. We'll do it again.
Just
Sorry,
do it.
what is the quote? We'll do it live. That's the one.
Who are we blocking for?
I don't know. Jasper Wallace Murray the 19th. What is our lowest common denominator on part B? X plus 5. Good. Multiply both sides by x plus 5. X plus 5. All right, Sully, how many terms do you see in this equation? Good. On that first one, what cancels? Good. What's left over?
X squared.
Good job. That's exactly right. Nice job, homie. And on the right-hand side, Sully, what cancels?
X plus 5.
Good. And what's left over?
25.
Perf. Yeah, so we're going to square root both sides. So what does x equal? Close. Thank you, Philip. It is a plus or minus
Wow.
5.
It was still fine. I tweet.
Good. Hey, make sure you check your answers. If I plug a positive 5, is the denominator 0?
No.
So that's good. If I plug a negative 5, will that make the denominator 0?
No.
Yes. Negative 5 plus 5 is 0. So x equals negative 5 is extraneous. Properly pronounced extraneous. We improperly pronounce it extraneous.
Or equinox.
Or equinox would also be an improper pronunciation of the word extraneous. That is a good point.
That was funny.
That was really hard to say.
What?
Equinox would be an improper pronunciation of the word extraneous.
Say it real fast.
I did.
Like,
Off the
fast.
top of my head for the very first time, and it was amazing.
Go ahead.
Here we go! All right, let's follow our steps. Multiply by the LCD,
X
and
plus
for each term, what cancels and what's left over. Austin Mersman, on this guy here, what's our LCD?
X plus 6.
Very good. Multiply x plus 6 on both sides. Chloe, how many terms does this equation have? 2. One on the left side and one on the right side. All right, Chloe, on the left side, when we multiply, what cancels?
X plus 6.
Good. What's left over?
4.
Good job. On the right side, Chloe, what cancels?
Nothing.
Good. What's left over?
2 times X plus 6.
Great job. Let's go.
That's aura farming.
Oop, oop. All right, solving this. What's that D word?
Distribute.
That's exactly right. So 4 equals 2x plus 12. We went here. And here. Yep, subtract the 12. Subtract the 12. So negative 8 equals 2x. Good.
And you didn't do that into the mic?
I was trying to call out all the other alphas. Chloe and I were having a whole conversation. You missed it. Oh, how do we finish?
Divide by 6.
Good.
And negative.
You
Good job.
are.
You are also very smart.
All right, Austin, will that solution make the denominator 0?
I think yes.
So if I plug a negative 4,
Oh, I lied. I looked at it. It's no, it will not.
it will not. Right, negative 4 plus 6 is 2. So this will not give us an extraneous solution. So this is a good one. She's a keeper.
I hate to break it to you, but your ASMR didn't actually work.
No, it didn't.
My phone was locked.
His
My
iPad.
iPad.
So we got clocked by a locked phone.
And we can do it again later. I promise.
You got COVID.
I'm so sorry. I don't know what any of that means. Here we go. Piper Gus, what's our common denominator here on this problem?
X plus 3.
Good. How many total terms does this equation have?
2.
Good. Really good job. So I'm going to multiply both of our terms here by x plus 3. All right, on that left side, Piper Gus, what's going to cancel?
The bottom, X plus 3.
Yep, so these x plus 3s are going to cancel, and then what are we left with?
X squared.
Good job. On the right side, what cancels?
The X plus 3, and it's left with 9.
Yeah, we're going to be left with a 9 right there. Good job.
And then you, do the thing.
Yep, square root both sides. So what would x equal?
We'll look back and we'll. It's
And then, I'm not good at this.
It's all right. Any number times itself. It's got to be smaller than 9. What number times itself gets us there?
3.
Yeah.
I'm sorry.
No, don't apologize about it. Squat doohickey. You know that it's going to be 3, but, or what? Yeah, so this could be positive or negative 3. Good job. Check your work. What is it, Dally? What is negative 3? Extraneous. X equals negative 3 is extraneous.
This might be the only subject I know so good. I'm so. Don't go like. Oh, close.
Yes, too close for
Hey,
comfort.
Mr. Stevens, can I ask you a question?
You may indeed. Wait.
It's not done because you're recording. Oh, wait,